So let me gather my thoughts. Let me grab my notebook, my pen, and then the whip. Okay, all right. Hey, this is Tim again from TRX. Today I'm in the office for a little bit, doing some paperwork, doing my invoices. I do this once a week. I get the work orders from the guys outside, then I come in the office and I'll input them into our computer, send them on their way. So what we're gonna do now is we'll take a walk outside, see how the guys are doing, check on the maintenance.
Hey, real quick, 99% of you are not subscribed, so I'll just ask you to hit that like and subscribe button below if you like these types of videos and enjoy our content. Now back to the video.
So yeah, we're here at the shop, so we're doing our routine maintenance. Ivan's changing the tire. See, he did some brakes. I see ABS cable hanging. Let's go to the other side. So we got Kevin over here. He's putting everything back together. How was the ABS?
It's not turning on.
It's not turning on?
No.
Got a wire disconnected.
Yeah, no, he rewired it because there was no wire connected.
Okay, great. Great. We on track? We keep it on time? So yeah, this is usually how it goes on a daily basis. I do some paperwork, come out, check on the guys, make sure everything is going good, making sure that everything's being put back together properly. And then I'll do an overall inspection after they're done. This trailer came in, just a routine maintenance, you know, a couple items. It came in, we checked the brakes, we greased the trailers, we greased the slacks up, check our tires, check our air pressure. Check the reefers out, make sure that they're not due for a PM, make sure they're running properly, make sure that the belts are good, oil level is good. We check our stickers every day, our DOT stickers, make sure that they're valid. When the trailers come in, the guys start up the reefers, make sure that they cool down, they're cooling down properly. Like I said, we check our DOT, make sure our paperwork is in, that it has all the dock holders. Check the bodies, make sure there's no damage. This is the trailer side. We're gonna go check on the other side with the truck side. So Mario is working on the truck. He's doing a routine PM service. And then he's checking out the brakes, making sure we got no leaky wheel seals. That's our routine maintenance here. Anytime it comes in for a PM service, the guys, they check out everything. Make sure that everything is running good, making sure oil levels are good, checking out the tires, brakes. We go through the whole 9 yards from front to back. No shortcuts. Let's go talk to Gabriel. Okay. So I just found out Gabriel's gonna hose down the condenser. Lately we've been having a lot of cooling problems with the trucks. So when we start to have problems, we wash down the radiator, condensers, make sure the ACs work good. It's been hot this year, so we do that on a need-to-be basis though. See, we have a leaky wheel seal here. Yep, we got a leaky wheel seal.
Leaky seal?
Leaky wheel seal, yep. So this is part of our everyday basis. Well, I'm gonna let you guys go for now. We'll get back with you guys later on with some more videos. I'm gonna get back in the office and do my paperwork. I see you guys, thank you.